Hold infant carrier can be fitted in a car using the car's 3-point seat belt alone. Place the infant carrier rearward facing onto the rear or front seats of the car. Front seats should have the airbag switched off. Pull the seat belt around the rear of the infant carrier and insert the belt through the blue routing guide at the rear of the infant carrier. Plug the seat belt into the buckle and place the seat belt through the blue routing guides either side of the carrier. Pull the seat belt tight. Ensure the seat is securely fitted and push the handle to the forwardmost position. For ease of use, Hold has a belted base. Extend the leg and place the base onto the car's seat. Take the car's seat belt and pass it up through the hole on the underside of the base. Unlock the blue seat belt tensioner. Pass the seat belt through the hole on the other side of the base and connect the seat belt to the buckle. Pull the car seat belt firmly and ensure that the buckle is located on the hole on the underside of the base. Connect the blue seat belt tensioner. Push the button and extend the leg downward to make contact with the car's floor. Push firmly, ensuring the button engages. Check to be sure there is no gap between the car's seat and the base. Place the Hold onto the base rearward facing until an audible click is heard. To remove, pull the red lever and lift the Hold away. For ease of use, Hold has an Isofix base. Extend the arm from underside the base and place the base onto the car's seat. Extend both Isofix arms into the maximum forward position. Ensure you use the yellow fitting guides and attach them to your Isofix system. More modern cars have the Isofix guides built in. Simply remove the cap to expose the fitting. Insert the Isofix arms through the guides and attach it to the Isofix system where an audible click will be heard. Push the base firmly into the back of the seat, ensuring the numbers read equally on either side. The base is now securely fitted. Press the button and extend the leg downward to make contact with the car's floor. Ensure the button is engaged and that the indicators are green. Be sure there is no gap between the car's seat and the base. To fit Hold to the Isofix base, ensure the indicators are in the red position. Place the Hold rearward facing onto the base until an audible click is heard. The indicators will turn green to show a safe fit. To remove Hold, slide the lock and the indicator to the red positions, and then the Hold seat can be easily lifted away. Safety point number 1, buckle crunch. Buckle crunch is a problem where the car's 3-point seatbelt buckle comes into contact with the infant seat in a way which could cause damage to the buckle in the event of an accident. With Cosatto car seats, always ensure that the buckle, the top of the buckle, is lower or at the same level as the top part of the infant seat. Never allow the buckle to become higher than the top of the infant seat, as in the event of an accident, the buckle can be pulled over the seat, causing damage to the buckle. Always ensure it's level or lower. Safety point number 2, the harness height. If the harness is mounted too high, there will be excess fabric which could cause the harness to slip off the shoulders. If the harness is too low, there will also be excessive fabric, causing the harness to slip off the shoulders. Please ensure that the harness is level or just slightly lower than the top of the child's shoulders. This will provide a very snug fit. Ensure the harness is on top of the shoulders. Safety point number 3 is seatbelt routings. If you do not use all of the specified routings, the seat could become loose and may cause injury in the event of an accident. Always ensure that you have read the instructions or the routing label attached to the seat to be sure that you have used all of the specified routings correctly. When all the routings are in place, pull the seat belt tightly to ensure you have a safe and secure fit. Safety point number 4, twisted harness. Always ensure the harness has not become twisted and that it lays flat against the child's body. Regularly check that the harness has not become twisted in the area near the buckle. Safety point number 5, bulky clothes. If you wear bulky clothes on your child, the harness will have excessive movement in an accident. Here we can see how much free space there is with the coat removed, making the harness ineffective. Always ensure the harness is tight and well fitted. When tightening the harness, place 2 fingers between the harness and the child and adjust it tight. Safety point number 6, headrests. Always ensure the car's headrest is not in contact with the child seat, creating a gap between the 2 seats. Always remove headrests completely. There can be then a secure fit between the 2 seats. Never refit your headrest and use it to secure the child seat, as in the event of an accident, the child seat can fold around the headrest, causing damage to the structure of the child seat.